In this Argos support video, we will show you how to safely replace a power lead on your TV. Firstly, locate the power input on the back of your TV. Before you begin, switch off your TV at the mains and unplug it from the wall socket. This is important to ensure your safety while handling the power cable. Now, remove the existing power lead. Gently pull the connector from the back of the TV. Avoid pulling on the cable itself and instead hold the connector firmly. Next, take your replacement power lead. Insert the new cable into the power input on the back of the TV. Push the connector in firmly until it is fully seated and secure. Once connected, plug the other end of the cable into a main socket and then power on your TV as normal. If the TV does not power on, switch off at the mains and double-check that both ends of the cable are securely connected. Replacing a power lead is a quick and simple way to restore power safely to your TV. For further support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.